Salam everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 6.4 question number 2. Before starting this solution for this one, let's recap theorem 6.6. For given two similar triangles, say ABC and PQR, area of this ABC upon area of PQR is the ratio of areas of two triangles. Similar triangle is equal to square of the corresponding side. This is the square of AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR whole square. So ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to square of the corresponding side. Square of the corresponding side. AB upon PQ whole square, BC upon QR whole square, AC upon PR whole square. So this theorem 6.6 for two similar triangles we are going to use for mostly in each and every sum of 6.4. Let's draw a diagram. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. So this is the given condition. AB is parallel to CD, intersect each other at the point O. Means this diagonal intersect at point O. So let's draw as per this condition. Now AB is twice of CD. AB is double of CD, means I am going to take the bigger side as AB and smaller side as CD. Now the diagonal is going to intersect at point O. Say this is point O. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. You have to find the ratio of what? Area of triangle AOB and area of triangle COD. The ratio we have to find out. Let's start with solution. So first of all, I can say that for this two triangle, for triangle AOB and triangle COD. This AOB and COD, I can say that angle OAB, this angle, if you look at this, as it's already trapezium, trapezium means the CD is parallel to AB, it's given, then AC is the transversal, then these two angles forming Z here, ये जो Z बन रहा है, for that I can say that this pair of angles are what? Alternate angles. This one and this one. First is triangle AOB, so I'll take angle OAB is equal to OCD. Reason will be what? Alternate angles. Now, one more angle is alternate, that is Z like this. CDBA. These two angles are alternate angle because they are lying between two parallel lines. So we can write for bigger triangle, it's OPA is equal to ODC. Again the reason is same. Now for two triangle, for triangle AOB and COD, if two pairs of angles are equal, then I can say that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. By which criteria? By angle criteria. I can say that both the triangles are similar because two pairs of angles are equal to each other by alternate angle. Now, if two triangles are similar, we know that from theorem 6.6. From theorem 6.6, area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equals to the square of the corresponding side. Now which corresponding side I am going to take? I am going to take this AB and CD. Now why I am going to take AB and CD? Because relation is given here in the question itself. The relation between AB and CD is given in the question. There is no any other relation is given here for OA, OB, OC and OD. Only there is a relation between AB and CD. So which side I am going to take? AB corresponds to CD. For bigger triangle it's AB. For smaller triangle it's what? CD whole square. Now here it is given that now AB is equals to what? 2CD. I am going to replace the value of AB by what? 2CD. तो जहां पे AB होगा उसकी जगह क्या लगाऊंगा मैं? 2CD. So area of AOB upon area of COD. Now instead of AB I am going to write 2CD upon CD whole square. Now applying square both the numerator and denominator. It's 4 CD square upon CD square. Definitely this CD square and CD square get cancelled. How much left? 4 by 1. Therefore we can say that find the ratio of areas. Required ratio is 4:1. This is our answer. So the only important thing you have to know for this solution that we have to prove these two triangles first similar. Once you prove these two triangles similar, then by applying this theorem 6.6, we have to take two ratios of any two sides. We are going to take this AB and CD because the relation is given here. So AB square upon CD square. Replace the value of AB, that is by 2CD. By replacing it, I got 4CD square upon CD square. CD square cancel. 4:1. So this is the required ratio for question number 2. 3. From figure, triangle ABC, this ABC and triangle DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. In both the triangle, which is the common base? This is the common base between both the triangles. If AD intersect BC at O, this AD and BC intersecting at O, then you have to prove that area of ABC upon DBC equals to AA upon DO. This is what we are supposed to prove. Now here area formula is given, ratios of area, but here square is not there. Just to apply the formula of area, we should have somewhat altitude and base. Here already base is there, as altitude is not here, we are going to draw an altitude here. Let me say here it's M and one more altitude on BC from D. Say this is what? N. So I can say that for triangle this ABC, this AM is altitude and BC is the base. Similarly for triangle DBC, for this triangle, so if you look at only this much triangle, here it is D, here B, here C, and here it is N. For this triangle, DN is what? Height or altitude we can say, and BC is what? Base. So we got the formula for area of triangle for both the triangle ABC and DBC. So let's start proving it. First of all, we have to consult, so we can write consult or draw AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to BC. Now area of triangle ABC equals to half base into height. So it's half. What is the base here? It's BC. What is its height? Height is AM. Now one more triangle. Area of DBC. For this DBC, it's half. Base will remain same, that is what? BC. Height is what? DM. Take the ratio of area of ABC upon DBC because we want the ratio of this only. So by dividing this both the areas, ABC upon DBC, its formula is what? It's half BC into AM, it's half BC into DN. So half get cancelled, BC is cancelled. So what is remain here? It's AM upon DN is left for area ABC upon area DBC. So simply what we have done, we just considered two altitude AM and DN, and then we find out the formula for area of ABC upon DBC because that's the what ratio I want. Now for the next part of this solution, what I want here, I want AO upon DO. I want this ratio AO upon DO. So now I am going to take two triangles and I am going to prove them similar. This triangle are this one. Triangle AMO in triangle AMO and triangle DNO. This triangle DNO. Now definitely the vertical opposite angles are equal. The vertical opposite angles are equal. So we can write for this triangle, angle AOM is equal to angle DON. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Now this is at 90 degree, this is at 90 degree because both are what? Altitude. Altitude होंगे तो 90 degree पे ही होंगे. So I can write here angle AMO is equal to angle DNO. Reason 90 degree. So I can see that by angle, this triangle and this triangle are similar to each other. Therefore by angle criteria, triangle AMO is similar to triangle DNO. If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So now which ratio I have to take? Which is useful here? Now here I got the ratio AM upon DN. So is it possible to take here AM upon DN? Yeah. So I am going to take here AM upon this AM upon DN is equal to what? Which other I want? AO upon OD. AO upon OD. So which ratio? Again I am repeating this AM upon DN as another triangle. This is AMO. Another triangle is what? It's D. It's what? D and O. So we can take AM upon DN. AM upon DN is equal to AO upon OD. AO upon OD. These two sides and these two sides are equal in ratio because of both the triangles are similar. Say this is what? 2. Say this is what? 1. So AM upon DN. AM upon DN. AM upon DN is equal to what? AO upon OD. So from 1 and 2, write down this area of ABC upon area of DBC. Now this instead of AM upon DN, this AM upon DN is equal to what? A upon OD. Hence, proved. So this is the way we can prove. So it's basically in two parts. First, take out the ratio of two triangles. Then prove this two smaller triangle similar. So by proving these two triangles similar, we'll get the equal ratio. Then this ratio and this ratio we have to compare. We'll get the required statement. Let's start with next proof. Question number 6. Prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. So first of all, two triangles are given which are similar. So let's draw diagram as per the given statement. So this is A, B and C, and one more triangle P, Q and R. Now ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratios of the corresponding median. Now this question is about what? Median. Now we know what are the medians. If I say D is the midpoint of B and C, if B and C midpoint is what? D, line passing through this A and D, this is the median of triangle ABC. Similarly say this is what? M is the midpoint of QR. Then this is the median of triangle PQR. So let's write down the given from this. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AD and PM are the respective medians. This much is given. Now what we have to prove? Prove क्या करना है? Ratios of their area. Ratios of their area means area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to the square of the ratios of the corresponding medians. Corresponding medians means this AD and PM. Square of this AD upon PM whole square. So this is what we are supposed to prove. Now let's start with the proof. Before starting the proof, let me make you revise the condition side angle side, where the ratio of two corresponding side and the included angles are equal. जो दो साइड होगा उसका रेशियो इक्वल होगा with the included angle. Then by saying side angle side criteria, they are similar. This condition we are going to use to prove triangle ABD and triangle PQM similar. Let's use the first given statement. Here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, I can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle A is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle R. And the ratio of the corresponding sides are also equal. So we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. These two conditions are possible only if triangles are similar. Now D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, we can write BC is equals to 2 times BD. ये जो पूरा BC है, because D is the midpoint, then 2 times BD. This BD plus CD is equal to whole BC. If you want to elaborate this one, BC is equal to what? BD plus DC. Now both BD and CD are same. So instead of CD, we can write what? BD. BD is what? 2BD, that is equals to BC. Similarly, this QR is equals to what? 2QM. So M is the midpoint. Therefore, we can write QR is equals to 2QM. Say this is 1, 2 and 3. Now replace this value here in this ratio. ये जो रेशियो है AB upon PQ is equal to what? BC upon QR. Reason from 1. Now AB upon, now instead of BC upon QR, I am going to, instead of BC we are going to replace it by 2BD. Now instead of QR we are going to write 2QM. So definitely we can cancel this. So what I got? AB upon PQ equals to BD upon QM. So this is equation 4. AB upon PQ equals to BD upon QM. Now we are going to prove this two triangle. This triangle and this triangle we are going to prove they are similar. For triangle ABD and triangle PQM, angle B is equal to angle Q. From here, angle B is equal to angle Q because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. As triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. Now this ratio AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. From 4, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. Reason from 4. From this fourth equation, these are equal. So these are what corresponding sides. This AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM, and the included angle are also equal. So by side angle side criteria, I can see that both the triangles are similar. So by side angle side criteria, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side angle side criteria. Now if these two triangles are similar, we can write, if two triangles are similar, the corresponding ratios are equal. So we can write AB upon PQ is equal to what? AD upon PM. Now area of triangle, original area, whole triangle ABC, whole triangle PQR. From theorem 6.6, I can say that AB square upon PQ square, and reason is what? Theorem 6.6. Ratio of the areas of similar triangle is equal to the square of the corresponding side. Now what is AB upon PQ? AB upon PQ is what? AD upon PM. Now instead of AB upon PQ, we are going to write AD upon PM whole square, and this is what we are supposed to hence prove. So this whole proof divided into 2 or 3 parts. So first of all, what we have done, we find out what we just prove that this BC is what 2 times BD, and this QR is what 2 times QM. Then we take the ratios of AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. By using this ratio, replace the value of BC and QR to get cancelled. I got the ratio. Then we proved these 2 triangles similar. This ABD similar to PQM by using side angle side criteria. This AB upon PQ is equal to what BD upon QM, and the angles are also equal. So by using this side angle side criteria, we can say that these 2 smaller triangles are similar. If 2 smaller triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PM. AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PM. Now by theorem 6.6, area of this whole ABC upon area of whole PQR is equals to square of the corresponding side AB square upon PQ square. But AB square upon PQ is equals to what? AD upon PM. So instead of AB upon PQ, AD upon PM and the square. This is what we are supposed to prove. So this is the way we can prove question number 6.